Okay, good evening, gentlemen. I like this team, which my facility happily got one mobile X-ray unit, which comes with a detector and a laptop computer. And today has been a fully installed process, and we have test run it. The images are very nice, and I think this company, MeCanMED from China, is one of the best. They have given us even the extra battery for remote. They have promised to send a late April to us once they get to Lagos, and we are looking forward to partner with them and get more machines, get more hospital equipment from them, and I am hoping that they will do us well. And by extension, we are even having an indigenous biomedical engineer, which to service or do calibration of our machines wouldn't be a difficult task. We'll be able to assess the biomedical engineer whenever the need arises. And I want to recommend every other Nigerian to patronize MeCanMED Company Limited. Their X-ray machine is of immense quality and the images of standard quality. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So appreciate it. We are overwhelmed. Thank you. Okay.